Today on Thai Caliente, we're making a roasted veggie fajita bowl with salsa verde rice and a creamy cashew queso. Hey guys, Renee here again, and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so that way you can get alerted on all of my new videos. So on my previous video, I made a homemade salsa verde, which if you watched it, it's super easy, super flavorful. And like I said, you can even store it in the freezer to have for a later time. So with the salsa verde, we're gonna be making a super delicious plant-based meal, and that is a veggie fajita bowl. So typically I like to do a cilantro lime rice when I'm doing like fajita burrito bowls, but I found this super easy hack where if you just get rice and put some of the salsa verde in it and mix it up, it tastes just like cilantro lime rice. Winner, winner. So that's what we're gonna be doing as the base of our bowl, and if you want it to be low carbs, then go ahead and use cauliflower rice. You can even do quinoa. In the video, I'm gonna be using white rice mixed with the salsa verde, and then I'm gonna slice up some veggies, put a little bit of taco fajita seasoning on there, bake them in, or roast them in the oven until they're nice and develop that nice caramel flavor to them. And then we're gonna place them on our bowl. And then 2 videos back, I made a vegan cashew queso that goes perfect with this fajita bowl. And then we're just gonna drizzle all that on top. So it's gonna be lots of good for you goodness. Let's get started on this recipe. In a large sheet pan, I have some chopped up cauliflower, red bell pepper, and zucchini. I'm gonna drizzle it with some oil and season it with some chili powder, cumin, paprika, onion, and garlic powder, as well as a healthy dose of salt and pepper for some flavor. You could also do this in a bowl to mix it a little bit better, but I want to save time in dishes, so I'm just mixing it directly on the sheet pan and just kind of give everything a toss to distribute the seasonings evenly. And then we're going to bake them or roast them in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. I like my vegetables pretty charred, so I kind of leave them on the sheet pan for a little while. So here I just have some white rice that is, you just cook it in the microwave. You can add any grain you like. You can do brown rice, quinoa, or cauliflower rice for low carb. And here's the magic, you guys. I'm just mixing in my homemade salsa verde, which I'll link in the iCard for the recipe, and then just incorporating it all together, and you have salsa verde rice. And you guys, the flavor tastes just like cilantro lime rice. I'm totally hooked. So get that all incorporated, and then we're gonna go ahead and pile on our roasted veggies. So again, if you are not vegan, you're more than welcome to add some roasted meat. The other day I had it for lunch and added some steak. So anything goes, really, you guys. It's just the flavor profile is spot on. So if you also like onions or mushrooms, you can also add those as well, or any veggies that you need to use up in the fridge. So once we have all of our veggies piled on, I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle the cashew queso, and I will link in the iCard for the recipe for that, but put as much or as little as you want, but I suggest putting quite a bit. And the cashew queso is just gonna add a bit of creaminess to the bowl, as well as another depth of flavor, since the queso has some green chilies in it as well. And then just to top it off, I'm gonna put a little bit more salsa verde for a little bit more kick, as well as for some color. And if you wanted to eat this with some tortilla chips on the side, that would go really great as well. I really hope you guys make this recipe, and if you do, be sure to leave me any comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for another video next Thursday. Bye guys, have a great day.